vehicle doesn't interfere with your... So you're an Uber driver, yeah. There we are.
Appreciate it.
Perfect. 5 stars, please, if you don't mind. She does a great job.
I got you.
Good. Okay, what we're going over here is 12-foot high, uneven bridge, an off-camber bridge for our Jeep, showing off that suspension travel that we have. My favorite obstacle up ahead. Picture yourself in a banking of a NASCAR track, right? Or the side of a mountain. Either way, we're about 30 degrees right here. And it even tells us that number right here with the pitch and roll. Good turning radius for the situation that we have going on here. We're going to climb up step by step, 11 inches or around that of ground clearance. Skid plates underneath too. And then we have the all-terrain tires so you can climb over stuff like this. Now, 28 feet up high, 40 degrees up and down. Time to go. Nice view out there, right, at the show floor?
Absolutely.
28 feet up high. And new to the auto show is this crevasse. It's like driving in desert in Utah. So the outer edges of our tires right here are just crawling along the obstacle, keeping us nice and level. We have a couple different cameras to look at, the rear view camera. And the front view, the yellow hats are going to move with my wheel. In the breakover, having the sway bar disconnected means all 4 of these tires are moving independently, and it keeps us nice and level right here. Otherwise, we would just teeter a little bit. Not bad, right? Thanks for joining us.
Take care.
You guys made it.